Hello, in this video I will show you how to change your account name on Windows 11. It's an extremely easy process. Firstly, just simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. That will open the run command right over here. Inside the run command, just simply enter Control Userpassword2 as you can see right over here. Now just click on Open or OK. After that, you should see your account right over here. If your account over here is grayed out or unclickable, that means you have to create a password for your computer. To do that, simply go to the Start menu and right-click on it, then click on Settings, go to Account. After that, scroll down and over here you should see the Sign In option. Click on that. Here you will have multiple options for adding a password to your computer. Just use any one of these options to create a password for your computer. After that, restart your PC. Once you've restarted your PC, you should be able to see your account right over here. Now what you have to do is once you are able to click on it, highlight it as you can see right over here, then click on Properties. After that, you should be able to see your username. Now you can enter or change whatever username you want right over here. Then click on Apply, then hit OK. After that, do a quick restart and your account name should be changed. Now there is another way that you can also try. Simply go to your control panel by typing Control Panel in the search bar. Then make sure that in the View By section you have chosen Category. Once you're in the Category section, click on your account. In this section, you will have the option to change your account name. In my case, I don't have that option because I have an administrative account, but in your case, you should have that option right over here. Simply click on Change the Account Name, and you should see a menu where you can type in your new name. That will change your name. For the majority of people, your account type will be standard, but mine is administrator, so changing an administrative name is a bit different. I will show you how to do that as well. If you have a standard account, those are the only two methods that you can try to change your name. If your account is an administrative account, as you can see right over here, then in that case, simply click on your account, then click on My Microsoft Account in this section. That will open an info page of your account. Scroll down and click on your info, scroll down again, and right over here you should see your accounts. Within a few seconds, you should be logged into your main account, as you can see right over here. After that, you have to click on your info, and then you should see your name right over here. All you have to do is click on Edit Name, then enter your name and change it right over here. After that, just click on Save. Once you save this, even your administrative name will be changed. After that, restart your computer and you will be good to go. That's it. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.